so complicated.
I am with the squad and I haven't uploaded a video in like 3 weeks, so this will just have to do. So today, what are we doing today? Who are we going to see today? Someone?
Five sauce.
Oh, that is so unenthusiastic. Come on, put some snaz in it. Five sauce. So. Kira, why are you dressed like Pikachu?
So guys, it's bloody freezing. It's like 5 degrees, so Pikachu's way forward. I'm wearing like 10 layers. It's fine. What have you just done?
I'm just. This is my shoe. I've taken it off so I can doodle over it because I've just found out it's broken. So
we're going to fling it on stage. I've got a habit looking over here.
No, we're not because I still need to wear it.
I love it. Oh, hi.
Oh right, are you full?
Phoneception.
I like that. I'm just holding my shoe. Head in the pizza.
Art. It's art.
Modern art.
We've been outside the hydro for like, how many hours have we been out for now? Yeah, we've been outside for 5 hours and I'm exhausted. We're jamming.
I knew that was there.
Oh, that's gonna look so ferocious.
Scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
I'm a 1. I'm not nervous. Yeah.
We're going in.
For the first time in like 9 months.
We're going in. Just out of sound check and oh my god. It was your first experience, how was it? If you would give it a 10 out of 10?
12 out of 10.
12 out of 10. So,
Michael was so close because like there was a bit where like during Catch Fire we started like screaming the words when it was his bit and then he like looked over and like locked eyes with us and then I was like
there was many look in the cool moments and I'm like, are you all feeling, are you excited?
yeah.
I'm like, hey. We're at the barrier again, second year in a row, so excited.
It's literally the exact same spot.
How do you feel that you get barrier?
I'm so fucking excited.
First time barrier.
Oh my god, I've got eyeliner on my forehead. Lol.
Takes the ocean. Few words today. Happy.
time we'll be like, yeah. Alright, so ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hear it fucking go! Hear it fucking go! Hear it fucking go! Hear it fucking go! Hear it fucking go!
Everybody's got their treatment. Doesn't matter what their treatment. I'm the one who ends up pleasing. Make it okay. See a war when it's lightning. See a match when it's striking. Every fire I'm ignited. I fade to you. Now that I'm broken, now that you know. Caught up in a moment. Can you see inside? Say, 'cause I jet black heart, and there's a hurricane running from me. I ride with the boys and bed, but these chemicals moving between us are the reason to start again. I know everything 'cause I always sleep in. She's always people when she's calling her friends. She's got a hardcore job. He's smoking that boat, think he's a slob. He's got a shot though. Yeah, he's got a shot though. He's got me, except the one else understands.
Michael Clifford's towel.